Okay guys, I want to make a very short video today to show you how to produce and make the Kangen strong acidic 2.5 pH water, which is your natural disinfectant, and really important at this time that you know how to produce this properly from your machine. So the first thing you need to check is that you have your chamber with some, actually this is very low, with some of your electrolysis enhancer in it. This is purely a salt and water. That's the only thing that will ever be added to your Kangen machine is this salt water solution. Just put a little drop in there, lid back on, pop that into your machine, cover back on, press your strong acidic button and turn on your tap. Now it's really important that you wait for 10 seconds to make sure that Mrs. Kangen recognises that she has the electrolysis enhancer and that the machine is actually drawing it in. Sometimes if you haven't used it for a while, that might just take a minute and you'll get a warning asking you to refill the solution. If it's asking you to refill the solution, it's not producing the strong acidic water. It's not actually taking the salt water into the machine. So look, this is perfect. So what I would generally do here is we have a spray bottle and I collect the 2.5 strong acidic from the grey hose. It actually says strong acidic on it. Collect that. That is your natural disinfectant. That's your hypochlorous acid. And at the same time, what's coming out here, I would generally collect both at the same time. We have our sodium hydroxide, which is your natural degreaser. So guys, that's it. I just collect that here. Here's someone collected earlier. This is a jar, and I will keep that in the bathroom for mouthwash and gargling, especially at this time, is super important. And then when you finish collecting it, press your Kangen button again, back to your drinking, and the machine will run through a clean for about 20 seconds. So I hope you found that helpful. Any questions, come back to us or to your upline and they will support you in getting the most from your Kangen machine. So stay well and stay safe, everyone.